Who is responsible for handling employment law disputes in a company? Breaking news in the world of labor and employment law. As companies navigate complex workplace issues, a pressing question emerges. Who is responsible for handling employment law disputes? If you are an employee or an employer, understanding this topic is essential for maintaining a fair work environment. Let's break it down. When disputes arise, the Human Resources Department is usually the first line of defense. Human resources professionals are trained to manage workplace conflicts and interpret employment contracts. They ensure that the company complies with labor laws and handle complaints from employees. Human resources staff often mediate disputes and guide both employees and management through grievance procedures. However, not all disputes can be resolved internally. When issues escalate or involve legal claims, companies may seek help from employment law specialists or external legal advisors. These experts provide guidance on the proper procedures and help draft settlement agreements. They also representing the company during negotiations or legal proceedings. For sensitive issues, such as allegations of harassment, companies sometimes turn to mediation services. Experienced mediators help both parties reach a resolution in a controlled and confidential environment. This approach can be less adversarial and more constructive than traditional legal battles. Additionally, employers of record play a role in managing employment law disputes. Their contracts outline responsibilities for payroll, tax compliance, and liability for employment law issues. These agreements often include dispute resolution clauses that specify whether mediation, arbitration, or litigation will be used to settle disagreements. Ultimately, handling employment law disputes is a shared responsibility. Internal human resources teams, external legal experts, and specialized mediators all contribute based on the nature and severity of the issue. Clear policies and trained personnel help ensure that disputes are managed fairly and in accordance with legal requirements. As workplace dynamics continue to evolve, staying informed about who is responsible for handling these disputes is more important than ever. Whether you are an employee seeking resolution or an employer aiming to maintain compliance, knowing the right channels to address these issues can make all the difference.